feather flock together, and at times that flock is pretty tight. Take a look at this. A flock of starlings gathering in flight at twilight in the UK. The sight is called a murmuration. These birds use it to gather everyone together either before roosting at night or to escape from predators. These birds were successfully able to get away from a raptor. I mean, it's truly mesmerizing, too. Sometimes you can see all sorts of crazy shapes. I mean, check out this starling video from this evening over the YOLO bypass. Now, the shapes, they're going to be truly amazing. You never know what you're going to see. Whoa! Sometimes it's spectacular. If you look away, it's gone. So you never know what you can catch out there. So there you go.
So great.
When Dave runs past to the editors all night, you know he's up for something. That was good.
Thanks. That wasn't me. That was all Amani.
Good job.
So I went past the editor straight to promotion.
Yeah.
There you go.
It is something to see, though, those birds, right?
Yeah.
Really cool. That's going to do it for us. Thanks so much for watching.
Take care.
See you soon.
That was just...
Victory's only a mile away.
$1 million mile from March 27th.